Yo, we are drastically late namhlanje. It's very so nje. Hey mama, manje mina hi friends. Manje mina vlog. Guys, Ruby is late and yo angazi namhlanje what's happening. We are bouncing. So I told my Uber, it's bad. It's that bad. Yo, hi Shane. Mama nje sivele sayilalela. Mina bese ngihambela nayo ukuthi nje kumele ngiyopresent otherwise bengi angazi press. Guys, mawuthole option press sesiyokhuluma phambili ukuthi azosilanda. Hayi. Yo. Hayi.
Uyapressa. Ila isikhona. Amamqalile mos wayesenyuka.
Right. Petro Street. Mama, umuntu uzaqabanga ukuthi asese Shane. Yabona sizahambisa. Umuntu uzomawuthoba lethe kahle. Jongo sister Mpumu ubangela ukuthi laba bayazi ukuthi bayapresenta namhlanje bathi. Sethi bakufonela. 5 minutes. Kanti uthi phela akazi ukuthi ifana khiphuki. Upida isesebenza.
Ayisasebenzi like at all.
Ngicela nisivuleleni guys. Sanibona. Njani? Sanibona. Mhlambe nisa emi. Sekena. Ya kayisenza. At least soldiers in the army, there's a quiet promise, so we shall win and wear it by and by. Haste to the battle, quick to the field. Truth is our helmet, buckler and shield. Guys!
Welcome guys, man. So today we'll be reading the Come Follow Me, and we'll be reading movie focusing. Can you please open your gospel library app? We'll be focusing on Ezra and Nehemiah or Nehemiah.
I think it's just the season. Hey, the full of them.
No, like the question was like, are the things that you're going through right now in your life, is it because of the of the sins that you committed, or is it a season in your life? It's your perspective right now.
You can be, yes, you can go your baptism bona labo bakhokho bakho.
I need abanye abantu they are cursed till their 4th generation. Well, no, vele ungafika waba part of the curse until the 4th
No,
generation.
guys, enye into esingakhohlwa phela ukuthi life it's like this big thing, you understand? So Tina, we have to trust ukuthi God is directing us. So if when namhlanje you feel like, okay, I feel like God saying I should get baptized for umkhulu wami onjani, it's God guidance. Like Tina, we can't make amanye decisions, especially decisions which concern divinity, like in this, you understand? So there's no way of knowing ubani obeka case.
Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce to you Face of Fine Town. Standing before you is the founder and the director of this impactful beauty pageant. We believe that we were made. This platform is created for them to find themselves, and to you who is sitting out there, we are saying to you, we want you and we are here for you. Don't let the society tell you what you are not. And as the Face of Fine Town, we accept. So this year's theme, we are focusing on the beauty purpose. As we said that we are more than a beauty pageant. So first of all, we have self-confidence. Training runway walks and sports activities actually teaches the models to be more comfortable in their own skin, and it also makes them learn that there is more into confidence than perfection, making them scared, and that's where they start to represent Fine Town as well. Secondly, we have community service. Community work shows that you care more about the people than the crown. In that way, it also shapes them to become better people in the society. It even they also improve their personal growth, which makes it more easier for them to have proper interviews when they are being interviewed in radio.
So you can say cheese now. Cheese.